Now, here's something that might terrify you. In 2021, in the UK, the average phone use was 4 hours per day people were spending on their phone. 4 hours a day people were spending on their phone. Now, obviously, as business owners, some of that could be used doing business activities, but really for 4 hours, probably not. You know, I would want a big return on my 4 hours effort on my phone. And I've done some calculations on this. I had to double check them, and I actually got them wrong first time because it's not my strong point. But 4 hours a day over the course of a year is 60 full 24-hour days on our phone. 2 months a year without sleep, like 24-hour days, 2 months of our year on our phones. How soul destroying is that? And so then I thought, okay, well, let's factor in sleep, because let's say we need 8 hours sleep a night. If we slept during those 60 full days as well, that would be 80 days of the year, allowing ourselves 8 hours to sleep at night and put our phone down and go to sleep and get back up again and pick up our phone again straight away. And when you look at it like that, you just think, oh my gosh, I do have time. I'm just giving it to this piece of tech. I'm not giving it to the things that matter, whether that's business, whether that's family. And actually, you know, I should have probably mentioned this when I was introducing myself, but one of the massive triggers for me, something that my children started saying to me during the pandemic is, oh, I'm getting emotional even talking about it now, is you're always on your phone. You're not listening to me, you're on your phone. What are you looking at? Why are you on your phone again? And my kids aren't of phone age yet. My eldest is 8, the other 2 are 6 and 3. So they're not there yet. I just thought, my God, if I'm like this now, how can I say to them, get off your phone, you're always on your phone, when actually I'm just as bad? So it's not just actually about giving your focus on your business sometimes, is it? It's about what else are you ignoring in the wider world? And what are we missing out on? And this is the thing, isn't it? That thing of FOMO that makes us pick up our phone. Actually, we're not missing out on anything on our phone. We're missing out on real life, right? So this time we're committing, this 2 full months a year without sleep. And as Sarah said, sometimes for her, that's 12 hours. And this is how easy it is. We're missing out on real life. And Emma, that is so sad, isn't it? That, you know, being asked by your daughter, do you love your phone more than me? Yeah, that's when, you know, it's an addiction. And, you know, at the end of the day, as parents, we probably looked at neglectful if we were drinking wine all day, or I don't know, shooting up heroin. But you know, it's okay to us to just keep picking up this thing. And of course, health-wise, it's not nowhere near as bad as those things. But yeah, it's that time we're missing out on with the people we love. But you know, this is about business, so that we could be using on really growing our business. How many courses have you signed up to and said, oh, I haven't got time to learn that actually? But you've got this 4 hours a day that you're probably giving to your phone on average. You know, some of you might be spending much less, but we're all giving time to our phone that we do probably have. So this is the first issue. It's time. It's stealing our time, and hours can pass without us really realizing that we're giving our time to our phones.